What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to change out your cabin filter in a 2023 Ford Edge. So this is what it looks like at the end, but how did I get there? Stick around. All right, so obviously we have to change out the cabin air filter every once in a while because it filters the air that comes into the car that you breathe. So right now I just opened up the glove box. Next step, there's going to be a little swing arm on this side right here. And I'm going to push that up, here to snap, and then pull it out. That's going to allow the box to move a little bit more. Now you're going to see right now that there's a tab there, and there's another tab over there. And what I have to do is I have to push these tabs up and back a little bit so that the entire box can slip forward. I'm going to try to do this one by one. That's one snap. And that's the second snap. The entire box can fall forward. Now you can actually see this piece here. This is the cover that's going to fall forward. I'm going to push this tab out. I'm going to use my other hand and help it just get past that tab. So I've gotten past this tab here, and I'm going to push that tab out that way, and that's going to let the door fall forward. And there is my cabin air filter. You can actually see that it says airflow up that way, or airflow down that way, the little arrow. But all you got to do is take this out, go into the store, grab another one, put it in the exact same way, so that once you're done, you've got clean air coming into the car that you can breathe, because the air filter in the engine only filters the air for the engine. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, just make sure you set it all the way in there before you close the door. Leave any questions or comments down below.